Have you ever wondered if Paysend is still a reliable way to send money internationally? Well, let's dive in and find out. Paysend has been making waves in the international remittance market for quite some time. But with so many options available, it's natural to question if it's still the best choice. In this video, we'll explore Paysend's current status, its features, and whether it's still a viable option for your international money transfers. Understanding Paysend. What is Paysend? A brief history of Paysend. Key features and benefits of using Paysend. How does Paysend work? Comparing Paysend to other remittance services. Paysend's current status. Is Paysend still operational? Recent updates and changes to Paysend services. User reviews and feedback on Paysend's performance. Any known issues or limitations with Paysend. Factors to consider before using Paysend. Fees and charges associated with Paysend. Exchange rates offered by Paysend. Transfer speed and delivery times. Security measures and data protection. Customer support and assistance. Real-world examples. Case studies of people who have used Paysend recently. Their experiences, both positive and negative. Lessons learned and tips for using Paysend effectively. Is Paysend right for you? Assessing your individual needs and preferences. Identifying the best use cases for Paysend. Weighing the pros and cons of using Paysend. Recap the main points discussed in the video, offer your personal opinion on Paysend's current status and whether it's a good option. Encourage viewers to share their own experiences with Paysend in the comments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.